It's a new day and I have a new DIY for you, a custom-sized shadow box frame. I'll be using some white wood I picked up at Lowe's. The wood cost about $2.50 to $5, so one frame cost about $10. I'm using a foam poster board to size the frame because I'll be making a custom wall art piece to put inside of it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you'll know when a new video comes out. After sanding any rough edges off, I'm going to add some wood glue and use a brad nailer to finish off the ends. Be very careful with that brad nailer. I stapled myself or nailed myself in the finger once, so be careful. I purchased these long cylindrical pieces at Lowe's in a pack of 10. However, a cheaper, sturdier solution is to use the long barbecue skewers that you can get at the Dollar Tree. And voila, we're done. Stay tuned for my custom wall art tutorial.